Hello and welcome. I just made a TRULY Singleton class that I wanted to present it to you. First, it has a container that will store our instance of the class, and I will explain it later why we cannot use smart pointers for this. Next, we got our shared memory that will store our instance of the class. It uses two functions from the Windows API. Next, we got our shared mutex for synchronizing the access to the shared memory, which again uses functions from the Windows API. And finally, we have our singleton class that can be global or per process. And the shared memory contains two things. First one being the reference count, because we need to know when to truly deallocate it. And the second one, the object itself, of course. The details of the implementation, you can find it on GitHub. I will show you a couple of more things, which are, we don't use the normal new operator, and we use the placement new operator because we already got a bunch of memory that we allocated with create file mapping that we are going to use. So we tell the placement new operator where to construct our object. And because of that, the new operator itself doesn't allocate memory. That's why we cannot use the normal delete operator. And because of this, that's why we cannot use smart pointers. Because on the destruction of the smart pointer, it deletes the memory it allocated. But we didn't allocate any memory with the normal new operator. And it's pretty simple to use the singleton class. You just inherit it, and if you want it to be global, you just pass true, else you pass false. And you have a single method to call, which is getInstance. And that's it.